Meaning of godparent.
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 Godparent. A godparent is a person who pledges to take on certain responsibilities for a child's spiritual and moral upbringing, typically in the context of baptism or confirmation in some Christian denominations. Godparents may be chosen by the child's parents or the church, and they are expected to provide guidance and support throughout the child's life. In addition to offering religious instruction, godparents may also play a role in the child's broader social and emotional development, serving as trusted confidants and mentors. Overall, the role of a godparent is to help ensure that the child grows up to be a kind, responsible, and caring adult.